America's soybean farmers are helping to make our homes and the environment a healthier and happier place.
Back in 2008, we started displacing some of the natural petroleums that would be used in our backings with a soy-based component. So that's what we have today.
So how does the soybean turn into the backing for that?
We get what's called a soyol, and then we introduce that into the urethanes that we have in our backings. This is literally the soy that you're seeing.
Are there any qualities about the backing, the soy part of the backing, that sort of allow you to have a better product?
Absolutely, yes.
What about durability? You know, is there any sort of deterioration in the product because we're using soy?
No, absolutely not.
Yeah.
We have limited lifetime warranties, so we look for additional durability.
This synthetic turf is ideal for this region. I'm considering it for my house. It's become much more user-friendly, it's environmentally safe, and it just looks great.